Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is a reminder of the intermediate class on the 26th of April at the Kenn Centre, where we did a teapot, an octopus block, a pretzel walk around swizzle, and a double cross man wrap mangle. So if you need more detail, a teach for each of those moves, there are links to each of those videos in the description below. This is just to show you how everything went together. So starting with the teapot, it went like this. We went 7 and 8. We went back, underneath, and into the walk, push, and face. We're straight into the octopus. Ladies through, guys through, into the block, bounce out, and through. Off for the pretzel. We go a left, right, turns into a walk around, and then into the swizzle, where we had a little duck, underneath and out. We went over the top, little twist, 2 hands high to get the double cross. Guys go round and into the mangle section. We went down, down, up, up, went out, little prep, big turn, switch, return, and back. Set us up to go back into the teapot if you wanted to link it all the way around. Hope you find that helpful. As I said again, if you need more detail, look at the teachers, links in the description below. Music recommendation on the end: like, subscribe, and hit the bell. That will help promote the channel, and we really do appreciate everybody who does that. And finally, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.